Strive the music box.
Hello queens, welcome back to my channel. On this video it will be about a review on the Xtrend passion twist hair / crochet. The hair is really soft, it gives you that full illusion look, and the way I did the base of the crochet, like you can pack it up, you can pretty much do any style, not any style per se, but you can pack it up, you can do a half up, half down, and like a middle part, a side part. So that's how the hair came. I ordered the hair from Amazon. So there's about 6 packs in the bag, and it has 15 strands of hair, like, so there's 15 twists in one pack, and it also comes with its own crochet, so we're not worried about that. And I'm only using that hair as the expression hair as a base grip. So like my previous video, I just start by cutting a line at the back because I'm gonna braid the back up. The cornrow base for the crochet, so I just merged all the fingertips, so as you can see it's 2 and it's merged into one at the back, and then the hair strands is just crochet into the other. So here I'm going to start plucking in the passion twist. Again, there is 15 twists in one pack, and I'm just going to start by doing the back first. You don't really want to put them too closely together because, like I said, this hair will really, it looks light and soft, but you know, as you're plucking it in, the thickness comes out. This hair is really easy to handle, but you don't want to be too aggressive like while you're plucking it in. Like you don't want to put it too fast, you know, because the twist might unravel. So you really want to be gentle, but at the same time be fast if you want to. But as you can see, like I said earlier, I'm not putting them too closely together, and as I put it out with the needle, I use my hand to pull the rest out because you don't want to just put it out fast. Once again, I really like how this hair turned out because once again, it is soft, lightweight, fluffy. Maybe not fluffy, but like you guys get the gist. It's really I like the hair, and I love especially how the ends are just like all curled up. So right here, I'm just like, you know, fixing up the edges, and we're done.